Vlogmas day number 10. I can't believe we're in double digits already. It is Monday, December the 9th. You know me and dates, guys, come on. I was doing good this weekend though, remembering, but anyway, it's just after 2 o'clock. It's like 2:15. I'm home on my lunch hour. It's been a long day. I'm finally having lunch. Actually, I'm going back to work now. With a stop at the post office first, then going to lunch. But I worked since 7:30 this morning and got here just a little bit after 1:30, so it makes for a long day. But belly's full. We're all good with that. And I try to eat good for breakfast. Lunch, not so much. Hands getting tired here. I had a nice, it was oatmeal with homemade cranberry sauce that I made over the weekend. It's so good. And I even had a little Halo cutie, whatever it's called, with it. But for lunch, I had chips. I had a cheese sandwich and a couple of these cookies from yesterday. This big old tub. I gotta share with people because they can't stay here. So I am, like I said, I'm going to be heading to the post office and then going to work again. I should be home by 4:30 actually, so that makes my afternoon a heck of a lot shorter than my morning. And I'm going to clean up around this place because it's a disaster area. I don't know, it's just the two of us and the dog. And there's stuff everywhere. So be working on that, and I think we're gonna make a chicken stir fry tonight. And maybe what I'll add to this vlog is maybe I'll make that pumpkin pie with the Fireball in it. Maybe I'll do that for tonight and show you how I make it and the ingredients and go from there. But for now, I go back to work. It's a miserable rainy day today. It's warmer, but it's still meh. Alright guys, I'll talk to you when I get out of work. Well, I'm back home. It's almost 5:30. I did get home at 4:30, but for the last 45 minutes, this is what I was working on. Actually, I remember I said I was doing one piece of garland in the living room, and I decided not to film it because it was such a torture. Well, ta-da! I just used that same garland, but I wrapped more lights around it. And that's where we place our Christmas cards that we get in the mail. The twining of the lights to the garland was a pain. That's what took so long. But it's done. And now I'm happy. Alright, I guess I better make dinner now. So I am. I'm just going to do chicken stir fry, and it's fairly easy. So quick, easy, and somewhat healthy. I'm down with that. Alright guys, dinner's done. Dishes are put away. Cleaned up, obviously, and put away. But we're going to do two things tonight. Then we're going to do the question of the day. First thing we got a nice little surprise in the mail. I want to show you guys. Alright, got a nice little package from Veronica from Life with V. We were chosen as one of the Secret Santas. Thanks, V. So I'm going to show you what we got here. Alright, we got a little card. See, Secret Santa winners. Let's see what she has in here. There we go. Aw, Merry Christmas. Aw. Thank you for all your support and love this year. I hope you enjoy a few of my favorite things. Veronica from Light with V. Thank you so much. Alright. These look familiar. Got a couple of lanyards. I think this, yeah, it was the platinum gift recently. I know it's luggage tags now, so we got some extra lanyards. Very cool. And, haha, now you're talking. I love peppermint hot chocolate. Woohoo! Well, we're definitely using that probably maybe tonight. And we got? Oh. Ooh, 'Tis the Season hand soap from Bath and Body Works. Ooh, I wonder what this. Ooh, red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that smells heavenly. And then we got this. That is so stinking cute. The little mug. Yeah, we'll have to put this guy in retirement for until Christmas is over. That's so cute. And we got, oh, okay. I'm trying to think of, this must be the Chicago Cubs. I'm not, oh, Bears. Cubs, oh my god. Tells you how much I follow football. Very cool. And we got a little, get this out of the way. Little box says Be Merry. Ooh, ooh. The new gets used in her video. Very cool. Thank you so much, Veronica, for all the cute gifts. And definitely, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. I'll link it down below. But thank you, Veronica, again for everything. It's too sweet. And like we don't have enough sweets in this house, I'm going to make the Fireball pumpkin pie. So I'm going to show you how I make it. Stay tuned. Alright, had to lower down my music because I don't want any copyrights. But, so this is how I make the Fireball pumpkin pie, which I'm going by recipe on the screen here. Of course, you gotta have your pumpkin. So they say 15 ounces of pumpkin. So basically it's just one regular can. 9 ounces of evaporated milk. 2 eggs, which I've already cracked and they're in here. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I would just use whatever you like the best. If you don't like it as spicy, use less. If you like it spicier, put more in. Mine's kind of like probably like the 1.5 teaspoon right now. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It looks pink because I use pink Himalayan salt. And the star of the show, 3 ounces of Fireball. And it's pretty simple from there. Alright. And of course, 1 like pie shell, which I have in the refrigerator, which I gotta take out. So basically, all you do is dump your pumpkin. Get it all out. Does not want to come out. Alright. There's your pumpkin. Then your evaporated milk. Off to the side. Your eggs. Your sugar. Your spice. And everything nice. I just realized I did that. Sugar and spice, everything nice. I make myself laugh. Your salt. And of course, your Fireball. What's it called? Fireball. And you might know that from being on a Lido deck party on a cruise ship. You know you're not a cruiser when. Alright. And all you have to do is blend. Okay. That's one thing with this mixer. The paddle, it like splashes. I should have my splash guard on there, but I always forget to bring it out. this off to the side real quick. And while that's doing that, I'm going to use my pie crust. Because, face it, I'm too lazy to make my own pie crust. I tried it once, never again. So I cheat. Hey, if Pillsbury's willing to make pie crust and I buy it, why not? Roll it out. Just make sure I get all to the edges. And that's that. I could probably shut this off right now. And this is me. I typically do this. I just make little air holes. Why? I don't know. This is what my mother told me when I was growing up. This is what you do. So I just aerate the crust in the bottom. Good enough. Oh, and look at this. Get it all off of there. And then, obviously, you pour in the filling. Alright. And really, that's it. All I have to do is bake it for 375 for maybe about 45 to 50 minutes. And voila! You got yourself a Fireball pumpkin pie. So I'm going to let that bake. And I'm going to close out with the question already, because I got to write some cards out and this and that. And I just want to do this now so I can edit it for tomorrow. Or today, technically, for you guys. But today's cruise question, and along with making the pies, what is your favorite dessert when you go on a cruise? Is it the famous chocolate melting cake? Your baked Alaska? What is it? I typically do try to go with the caramel melting cake. That's Dave's favorite, but I can't have it like every night because too much chocolate bothers my stomach. So if I do get it, I try to get it with the peanut butter. He absolutely hates it because he doesn't like peanut butter, but he's not your typical person. No, he just doesn't like peanut butter, and I do. Either that, or I get fresh fruit if I just want to lay off the sweets, or baked Alaska. I'm glad they brought that back because that's really, really good. But I think out of all of them, I would probably like go for the baked Alaska because it's a mixture of both. You got your ice cream, you got your cake, and you got your meringue. I love meringue, so good. But leave a comment below. What's your favorite dessert? Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. So have a great night and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.